welcome to Yvette Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how you can decorate your lamps with just using a silver trimmings from the trimming store. Okay, so first what I do, I put some glue. Okay, and then I just select a part like the middle section here, and I just place this around. Okay, and allows it to go right around. Okay, like this. Alright, and then I'm going to do the top section. So I do the same thing. Maybe I can just put the glue on here, right around. I just place the trimmings on the rim section. Okay. So this is just such an easy way you can decorate your lamps. Okay. So you're going to put it right out. Alright. I already have one that I made, so this is the finished product right here. Very nice. Okay. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, Yvette Kitchen. Live, love, laugh, and enjoy your